तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या, तेरी धूल से बढ़ के, तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा।
Project Be Gata was instituted under Gallantry Awards portal GAP in 2021 with the aim to disseminate the details of acts of bravery of the Gallantry Awards and the life story of these brave hearts among the students, so as to raise the spirit of patriotism and instill amongst them values of civics consciousness. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ayush Agarwal. I study in Raman Modern Public School. I am student of class 5th. I would like to express my thoughts on Gallantry Award winner Captain Vikram Batra.
Good morning, my name is Uday Pratap. Let's talk about Captain Vikram Batra. Captain Vikram Batra was born on 19 September 1974 and hailed from Bandla Gaon in Palampur district of Himachal Pradesh, son of Sri Girdhari Lal Batra and Srimati Kamal Kant. Captain Vikram Batra received his primary education of DAV Public School, Palampur and then completed his senior secondary education from Kendriya Vidyalaya Palampur. After passing his second PU in 1992, he got admitted in DAV College in Chandigarh. While in college, Captain Batra joined NCC and was answered the best NCC cadet air wing in the north.
Good morning, my name is Suti Viray. Let's talk about Captain Vikram Batra. Right from his younger days, he was fearless and bold and ever ready to offer help to anyone in need. His helping nature coupled with pleasing manners made him likable to anyone who came in contact with him. Besides being good in academics, he took keen interest in sports too and especially excelled in table tennis. While growing up, he was greatly influenced by the inspirational stories of the Paramveer Chakra awardees. As a young boy, he would watch the TV serial Paramveer Chakra regularly and thereafter often discuss in detail their stories of courage and gallantry with his brother. Though he got selected to join the Merchant Navy, he knew his calling and had made up his mind to follow his dream of donning the army uniform. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ansh Rathod. Let's continue Captain Vikram Batra. Consequently, he got through the Combined Defence Service examination and got selected to join the Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. In 1994, he joined the Jaisar Company of Mankeshwar Battalion and was commissioned into 13 Jack Rifles and Infantry Regiment, well known for its intrepid soldiers and numerous battle exploits. After being commissioned, he got posted to support in Baramulla district of J&K as his first assignment by April in 1999. His unit had completed its field tenure and was preparing to move to its peace location, but the declaration of large scale intrusion by the Pakistani force in Kargil sector in early May in 1999 changed the operational scenario and the unit move to its peace location was cancelled. Thank you. Good morning. My name is Asha Gupta. Let's talk about Vikram Batra. As part of our vision that led Vikram Batra Unit 13 Jack Rift got developed in Dres area of Carling in June 1999 under the operational command of 56 Infantry Brigades after the capture of Tolling Top in Brass feature called Point 5140. This peak was one of the most precious and circular peaks in Brass region and was heavily depended by the enemy forces. The Delta Company led by L.D. Vikram Batra and Bravo Company led by Sanjeev Singh Jawal were assigned this task and capturing the point 1540 in a during night attack. Thank you.
My name is Sandeep. After the capture of point 5140, 13 JK Rife was including from Dres to Gumri to Dres and moved for the next option. The battalion was then moved to Mashahon while and next step arranged was the capture of point 4875. Let's Batra had been promoted to the rank of cap by then based on his early expert in dress. Captain Batra and his 25 men from Delt Company contained the action on the night of 6 July 1999. The plan was the retreat to redeem from storm to energy. My option to the post by the first storm on 7 July, but informally to equation of when the office kept Nevin Nagapa how had too badly injured leg took some time to they were stood strong to the target by first time. Thank you. Good morning. Good morning. My name is Nandini Kumari. Let's talk about Vikram Batra. Just before the objective, there was a narrow ledge managed by the enemy soldiers, and it was almost impossible to advance, especially in daylight. However, Cap Batra decided that even though it was daylight, he and his comrades would attempt a direct assault in a race, show of extraordinary courage and their delivery. Captain Batra assaulted the ledge and took the enemy by surprise. However, during the exchange of fire, Cap Batra got injured, but he continued his charge with support fire from rest of his men and reached the mouth of the ledge. Having got a foothold on the ledge as he was planning his next move, he noticed one of his young soldiers lying in a pool of blood few feet away. He decided to move the injured soldier to safety along with his GCO Sub Raghunath Singh, but as he tried to do so, he was hit by a sniper fire in the chest. He breathed his last, uttering the word Durga Mata Ki Jai, meaning victory to Goddess Durga. The battle cry of regiment supported by Captain Batra, extreme courage and supreme sacrifice. His men attacked through the last and fighting like men.
ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके, कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के, तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा